Hey friends, welcome back to Living It Country. We have a little bit of a different view here today, and we are in our kitchen. We recently got some natural light in here, and so it's feeling a little bit brighter, a little bit more airy, and I feel like I can film in a few more places. Still, I have my lighting kit on, but I feel like it opens the opportunity to share a little bit more without my videos being so dark. And it's fall, you guys, and I am already out of fall candles, but I did find, I've been scrounging around for my decor. Unfortunately, I have no idea where my box of fall decor is. I do not know. I have searched everywhere and I have it very organized. I would say I am not an organized person at all. Everybody in my family could agree with that. And I found this in my Christmas decor. So, oops, but this is so good. This is from Home Goods a few years ago, I think, maybe last year, 2 years ago. White pumpkin, it's delightful. But also there's not many candles that I don't like. Oops. One of the flames just went off. But while I was digging as well, I found this candle refill kit from Antique Candle Co. from, it must have been such a while back, because you know what? I feel like I have another one that I collected of wax melts. But anyways, I could actually do more of these. This is vanilla bean, and I have these right here that it came with. And then this right here. And I thought it'd be fun to make some candles because I love a good smelling house. I found in my stash this really cute white distressed. Thought this would be great for fall and then also go really great into the Christmas season, just because this could go with whatever. And vanilla bean is such a great candle all year long, right? The other container that I found that I thought would be cute to do a candle in is this little guy right here. This is a gold bird on top, but it does kind of have a spring and summer look. Maybe I'll do this and save it in my container space outside for the spring and summer. But I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with me. And today's video is also in collaboration with my friend Charlie from Charlie's Country Cottage. You guys probably saw our video last week, and we are both making some yummy DIYs for our home to make our home smell good today. So make sure you guys go check out her channel and support her by watching and commenting and letting her know that I sent you. She is so sweet and kind, and you guys are gonna love the way her home is looking. It has such a beautiful aesthetic, and I know you guys are gonna love it. Now her DIY is going to be making a beautiful fall potpourri. Trying to say poopery. I said it again. I said it on the phone call with her too. Didn't mean to say that. It's gonna smell absolutely lovely. Oh, I'm so sorry there. But hopefully you guys can get a good giggle. And we're gonna go ahead and make a fall candle. We're going to do some decorating and have a great time together. Fun, 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 fun. Okay. It's melting so fast. While that wax is melting, I wanted to share with you guys my new cute accent chair. Look at how darling that is. Now, I have shared this company before, and this is Lubana, and this is their beautiful natural accent chair. And I love that it's foldable. I'll show you guys how easy it is. And I love the fact that if you want to switch up your space really simply, this is all you have to do, just like that. So if you have guests over or just want to have a movable chair that you can easily do yourself, it kind of reminds me of the chairs back in the day that you could really easily get that were plastic, but this is like a total upgrade of that. So I really love this. This has been a mover around our house and will probably end up being in our bedroom just because we have a special chair that goes here for guests. And I just wanted to thank Lubana for sending us this beautiful chair to share with you guys today. And hopefully one of these days I can share it styled in our master bedroom. But for now, this is the space that I will be sharing it in. Making some progress in the kitchen. The wax is almost melted. Let me show you guys. Another really cute idea is using something like this as the base to your candle. It's so thin and you'd have to use multiple wicks. But how beautiful would this antique tray be? I love this. It's probably still one of my favorite Amazon finds. Oh, it's perfect. Okay, so all we are going to do now get some paper towels and we're gonna pour. This is so cute. I got some new fall blankets that I thought would be fun, fall and Christmas. I thought this one was so pretty, this green color right here. I thought it would be fun to add more green since that is kind of my color of my house. Oh, this is so pretty. Swap it with this orange one for now. I know so many of you love this, but I think that I might put it over on my chair over there. That smells heavy. Oh my goodness gracious. The candle's trying. Okay, I just found the perfect few pieces for this chair for now. Little throw blanket back there since there's no arms. And then I just got these in there, so cute. I think I have a bag that matches this. I'm gonna go get the third one. I think these pieces are so much fun especially for kids. I've had them styled the past few days on each of my kids' chairs in the dining room where they homeschool. And so they each got to pick one. These are just cute. They're just little fun, cute things for fall. They're not like 100% like my favorite thing in the world. They're just cutesy and fun for kids. And I love finding ways to make things just extra special for my children. And sometimes those things aren't 100% my 100% favorite, but I think they're fun. Now I need to go finish up a day of homeschooling my kiddos. So I will touch back bases with you here in the next few hours and share with you guys what this looks like styled. Before filming this video, I made some really yummy snickerdoodle cookies. So I'm so sorry if you hear some bites, because it is very good. I'm so sorry. We are going to move that. Isn't this Lubana chair so cute? I love the fact that you can dress it up, dress it down. Such a cute chair. We have the candle. How beautiful is it? Trim these wicks. This seems so wasteful to me, but I know this is what you're supposed to do. How cute is that? Just gonna add this. That's precious. And there is our DIY candle right there. Now, if you guys decide to make a DIY candle with one of these ideas we shared today, make sure you guys tag us so we can see it and reshare it. And we hope you guys have a beautiful day. Bye, guys.